a world where the pace of change accelerates every day, quality, cutting-edge knowledge, and innovation in production are the difference between leading and lagging behind. At Volvo Group Trucks Operation International Manufacturing, we believe in empowering our employees in all countries, producing the Renault, Mack, and Volvo trucks. We strive to empower our employees with global best practices and cutting-edge knowledge, enabling them to produce trucks with the highest levels of quality, safety, and efficiency wherever they are in the world. The mission of the International Manufacturing Academy is to equip our operations employees with the knowledge and skills in the automation and automotive industries, grounded in digital transformation and the fourth industrial revolution. Through our comprehensive training programs and innovative learning platforms, we are committed to fostering a culture of continuous improvement and excellence. At International Manufacturing Academy, we don't just teach skills, we cultivate leaders who will pioneer the next generation of automotive manufacturing. Together, we learn how to work smarter, not harder.